Hi guys, it's me here, Joseph Madness. Today, I'm going to show you a short tutorial on Scratch. So today, we are not gonna click create, but we're gonna click on the search bar. We're gonna not type any sort of game. We're gonna type percentage 15. The results do not matter, only we should need this little box. We're gonna copy this, then we're gonna click on create. Now we're gonna go to the sounds tab. We're just gonna make this copy this right on here. Then we're gonna copy this. Wait a second. What about I showed you the before? See, here are every single thing. Right? Right. Now I'm gonna click here, copy this box, click here, copy this box, and I'm gonna delete one costume. Now, three, two, one. We only have two left, and we can't even go much further now. Only we can go to one and two. Here we can also do we control me. Here it also went. The motion category does not come on the backdrop, so we only have one block to use in the backdrop. Now, this was a very short tutorial. Now, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Bye.